Alright, update on my pile of rims, if you remember them being there. Well, what it was is the painters just grabbed yellow. They didn't look at what yellow to grab. So they're repainting them. Them two I'm just going to spray can. I got one here almost half done. I don't even know if I'm going to do the backside. You don't really notice it anyway. It's on a card here that's going to be on this one here. They're going on there, so I don't even know if I'm going to paint the back. Maybe I will. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that, and he'll have the rest of them done tomorrow. Alright, happy Christmas Eve day. Welcome back to the channel. Not sure what I'm going to get today because I'm painting. It's hard really to, nobody's just sit and watch you spray can paint. So anyways, so what I did today is I scuffed this all up, the front end, sanded it, taped it all off. I pulled the paper back already, and I painted the front to the sides. I rolled the lips because the white still comes to this side, but I'm not ready to do that yet. And I got the inside painted. Oop, missed a piece of tape. Got to get that off before it sticks and glue sticks. Hang on a second. Let me get that off before it sticks to the trailer, because obviously I learned my lesson with cheap tape. Don't buy cheap tape because it don't work. I got pick up some good stuff, 3M. So I got that done. That is literally wet. I just got done with that. I can stripe the other side, but I need to get some decent tape that won't leave the film all over my paint. So this side I could actually flame. That side over here I am going to wait. It's got about 4 days cured already, so it should be good, but I'm going to wait a couple more days since I keep getting burned. What else I get done? I know not too many people I go to the show with watch this, but I got that rim painted. That was the wrong yellow, if you remember. I can't remember if I said it was just a matter of the guys grabbed the wrong yellow paint and didn't ask. So I got that all painted yellow. The bottom's got to be painted yet. That's curing out. This one here, you're going to like this idea. So anyways, this is that custom trailer, so it's all going to be all flamed out. This is the back side of the rim. Front side of the rim is going to be this yellow right there. So I'm not going to say nothing. See how many people notice that, but I know there's a couple people that watch this channel that are going to be at Burnett. Can't say nothing then. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I got to go in the house because the paint fumes are nasty in here. I killed myself last Saturday when I was out here recording. I was doing just little bits of spray paint here, there. Well, that night when I got done, oh my god, my nose went tight. Holy shnikes. And Sunday I only painted like 2 things. Actually, one thing, the rim. And I tell you one thing, I must have been inhaling that paint, and oh, I learned my lesson. I can't breathe now. My sinuses are all messed up, and I don't know what it is. It's crazy. Oh, and I got this part together here. Put that together. That looks pretty good, except for the can paint just marks up so easy. Anyways, there's that piece. Alright, see what I get done next. The other thing I got done is I got this pre-assembled. Somewhat. Somewhat. There we go. I got that together. But oh my god, you put it together, it just chews up the paint, and then the primer shows. What do you do? But yeah.
We are here live in JJ's garage kitchen, and John is making Grandma B's apple pie recipes as a Christmas request for a few guests. Hope they're good.
I double checked all my corners, make sure the solvent didn't pull up any corners like this one did. Fix now. Start painting.
Sunrise paints the sky in gold. Wind is calling, the highway unfolds. No more chains, no looking back. Just me, the road, and a heart on track. Rolling fast, chasing dreams. No
Well, it looks really good, except for the fact is I caught it after I got the John on. That's the wrong decal. It's supposed to be the all yellow one. Oh, I grabbed my 80 cart decals by mistake. God dang it.
Midnight's falling, but we're still out. Smoke in the air, boots in the crowd. The sink.
Okay, side 2, I got a little bit of issue. I'm not sure how I want to fix it, but I gotta fix it. Oop, let's back off here. So it turned out pretty good. I probably shouldn't have put the decal on, but it's on. I gotta fix this. So what I think happened is I didn't get scuffed good enough. So that's why it pulled. So I'll have to fix that little circle yet. And this little here, it needs a little tail on it. I don't know if I want to fix it or not, because I might make a bigger mess out of that one. Just this, if I fix, it'd be pretty easy to fix that. Other than that, turned out pretty cool. A little different than the other side. That's it for now. I gotta fix that spot and assemble it. Alright, back at her. I got the other side done. This is the first side. That side turned out really good. No complaints. Painted the bottom. Match. Everything blends in. Look at that. So that worked out good. Had a couple issues on the bottom I touched up. I'm not going to worry about it at the bottom. Come to this side. I touched it up. I'm not redoing it again. I've got way too many times into fixing this. But from here you really can't see it. And you're at 3 feet right now. But if you move in, I touched it up right there. I touched up the paint here. I fixed this, that you can tell. But when I put the tape on here, I put the tape on the green, because that was all cured in. I didn't put any tape on here, but something marked it. I have no idea if the crinkled up paper did it or what. I don't know, but it ticked me off, so enough's enough. That side's done. So, now I'm going to do the bed. My wife helped me put the stuff on, assemble it, since I couldn't reach both sides by putting carriage bolts in. So that's done. And now I'm going to seal up the bottom here with some floor liner, bed liner. Okay, as long as I'm waiting for this to dry, I decided to clean up the fin tag and put that on, and look at that shnikey stuff. It is a brass tag. No idea. Well, she's redone now. Besides tires, I want to add, I don't have a tailgate for it, so I'm going to add a couple chains on the back in case we set something in here that doesn't fall out the back. Just, I don't know, just something like that. See how it goes. Okay, guess what's next? Right outside. Ooh, is it damp, rainy out? This one's next. Getting this one stripped down. This one's going to be white. But I need the tires off this one to go on that one, because these tires are really nice. The tires I'm putting on the white cart will match my 80 cart, which are over there. Right, look at this. Watch as I can zoom in. Now that's great. Right there they are. Anyways, so I can get this thing stripped down. Stay tuned for that. I'll do a time lapse on that and be so fast you'll shit. How you like that? And there you have it. 5 minutes, give or take. This thing's blowing apart. I'll call up Jason, even though it's Sunday, and I'll see if he's got time to take these tires off. He's messing around in the garage. That's what you call ripping that apart. Patio cart, piece 1. All DA'd, sanded off. I am not taking off all the John Deere paint, because that is a hell of a lot better paint than my can paint, or aerosol, or not actually, it's aerosol, it's going to be white, so It's actually a harder paint, but I'm sure John Deere's is a hell of a lot better than what I'm putting on. So I'm going to leave that down. I just cleaned up where the rust was. And actually I think that comes from... I actually think that rust that was there was underneath the metal before they even painted it. Because this piece is in really good shape. I'm going to give this a primer. And I deburred the corners, took the sharp edges off. So that way the paint don't chip. Alright, let's get this primed. I had to go in there with a die grinder, with a grinding wheel, which is a stone. I had to go inside and I had to hit the inside of the bushing because when you pounded them out, it pounded over the bushing with the punch, which made it suck up its tolerance. And as you can see, now it goes on. All right, off to the other side. Oh, nice hair day. Uh-oh. Fucking out of grease, god damn it. Go figure. I don't know if I got another tube or not. Well, needless to say, I didn't have no more grease. Now it's getting really, really good grease. Way too good for this. Alright, that buttons up that trailer except for the gate. I gotta go to Menards, pick up some chain. But the question is let me know if you think that cart should have chrome hubcaps. I got chrome hubcaps just like that, brand new, that I can put on this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. There you go, that baby's in its home. For now. Too bad I ain't got room out in the shed for it. Well, I got a lot of shit done today. That is good. I got that painted a color, I got the spring painted a color, got the lock painted a color. All the rest that needs to be white is primed except for the rims and these two pieces coming up. So all that stuff is primed, ready to go. I just need to make a decision if I'm going to clean these two up, since I cleaned everything else up and I lost my ass on, well, kind of lost my ass on that one because it was so bad. But yeah, I gotta get this cleaned up and primed. Then I can do Ernie's deck lids with white with all this stuff here, and I'll be sitting pretty good. So that's gonna wrap up this weekend. I don't know how good this video is gonna be because a lot of cleaning, a lot of sanding, a lot of this and not that. That's not really too much fun. But it is what it is. And I got the garage kind of cleaned up. Kind of. I didn't clean up all the tools yet. Can't be JJ's mess without a mess. So like, subscribe, and let me know on them hubcaps. Oop, turn this picture on. On the hubcaps on that. If I should put chrome hubcaps on that one or not. All right, later.